Hello students. In this particular session, I'd like to discuss about a part of a definite integral. A part of a definite integral means in the last session we discussed about a limit of a function means the integral of as limit as a sum. Now in this session, we'd like to study fundamental theorem of integral calculus. What the fundamental theorem of integral calculus says. Okay, before we need to understand fundamental theorem of integral calculus, first we need to understand area function. What is the area function? Okay, see particularly here y is equal to f of x is a y is equal to f of x is a continuous graph. Okay, f of y is equal to f of x is a continuous graph, and it is continuous in between the closed interval ab, continuous in a closed interval ab, as well as differentiable in the open interval a comma b. Got the point clearly? After that this area enclosed by, that is area function will be defined as area of a integral over a to b f of x dx, means which means the area enclosed by y is equal to f of x, the curve, as well as x-axis, and x equal to a, x equal to b. What are the four lines it will be covered? Y is equal to f of x, first curve it is, and the x-axis, the next x is equal to a, x is equal to b. It is cover the area covered in between x-axis and the curve in between x and a, that x equal to a, x equal to b. Got the point clearly? After this one, how I have to define, that is x is defined, x a particular point which is in between a and b. Okay, and a particular area means I'd like to share this part. I'm going to denote it as a of x. How to define this particular area? How to define this area of the shaded region? That is nothing but a of x can be defined as, that is integral over a to x, integral over a to x f of x dx. Getting my point clearly? This is nothing but calculating the area of the shaded region. If it is a to means x is equal to b, means it both will be same. If x is equal to a, means integral of a to a, the area will be 0. Whenever x is in between a and b, we need to calculate the area by integrating the function like this. Got the point clearly? We need to discuss the first fundamental theorem of integral calculus. Okay, in this one, let f of x be a function defined and continuous on a closed interval ab if a of x is equal to integral over a to x f of x into dx. Getting my point clearly? Where x is in between a and b. Okay, after that, what is a dash of x? If I'm going to write a derivative of this function, a dash of x will be derivative of integral of f of x will be f of x only. Getting the point clearly? For all x in the ab, for all x in open interval ab, and the last condition is a of a, means area from a to a will be, area from a to a will be 0. Getting the point clearly? Is there any doubt in this particular part? Now, it is a second fundamental theorem of integral calculus that says that f is a continuous function on closed interval a b, and capital F b the antiderivative of small f. This means d by dx of capital F of x will be small f of x. Got the point clearly? After that, the second fundamental theorem of integral calculus is that integral of small f of x dx, if the limits are a to b, then how I have to write this one? It will be derivative of capital F of x will be small f of x, integral of small f of x will be capital F of x, the limits are a to b. Substitute the upper limit value f of b minus f of a. We'll get the regular value. In the particular integral, means a definite integral, we are not going to use constant value. Got it? Some of the problems I'd like to discuss, that is nothing but evaluating the definite integral in this particular part. Here the limits are there. Here not necessary for the as a limit of a sum. We are not going to use the definition. Okay. What is integral of x? Integral of x will be x square by 2. Integral of 1 will be x. The limits are minus 1 to 1. Okay. Substitute the upper limit value. 1 square by 2 plus 1. Substituting the upper limit value. Minus lower limit will be minus 1 square divided by 2 plus minus 1. Got the point clearly? It will be 1 divided by 2 plus 1. It will be minus 1 by 2 minus 1 will be plus 1. Got it? Okay. Plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cancel. 1 plus 1, 2. Got the point clearly? The next example is integral over 2 to 3 1 by x dx. What is integral of 1 by x? It will be a log of x. The limits are 2 to 3. Okay. Substitute the upper limit value. Log 3 minus log of 2. Okay. Log a minus log b will be log of a by b. Log of 3 divided by 2. Got the point clear? Observe the next example. Therefore, as it is, integral of x cube will be x to the power 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 is x to the power 4 divided by 4 minus 5 x to the power 3 divided by 3 plus 6 x square by 2 plus 9x. Got the point? It will be 1 to 2. Okay. Here 4 will be cancelled. 6 by 2 will be 3. It will be x to the power 4 minus 5 by 3 x cube plus 3 into x square plus 9x. The limits are 1 to 2. Here I'd like to substitute the limit in the particular term, both upper and lower. It is 2 to the power 4 minus 1 to the power 4 to this term only. Upper as well as minus lower. 5 by 3. What is upper? 2 to the power 3 minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3. Upper limit means 2 square minus 1 plus 9. Upper limit minus lower limit. Got it? What is 2 to the power 4? 16 minus 1, it is 15 minus 5 by 3. What is the regular value of 2 to the power 3? 2 to the power 3 will be 8 minus 1, 7 plus 3 into 2 square will be 4, 4 minus 1, 3 plus 9 into 2 minus 1 will be 1. Got it? Then the next step will be 15 as it is minus 5 into 7, 35 divided by 3. Okay, plus 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 9 will be 18. 18 plus 15, 33 minus 35 divided by 3. 3 into 33 will be 99 minus 6. 35 will be 64 by 3. Got the point clearly? Observe the next example. Integral of sine will be minus cos of 2x. 2x will be 2. That I need to divide. The limits are 0 to pi by 4. Got it? It will be minus 1 by 2 outside. Put the upper limit value cos of 2 into pi by 4. Okay. Minus cos of 2 into 0. Okay. Minus 1 divided by 2. It will be 2, 4 cancel. It is cos of pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 will be 0. Cos 0 will be 1. Minus of minus will be plus. It will be 1 by 2. Got it? Observe the next example. Integral of cos of 2x will be, yes, it will be sine of 2x divided by 2x, it will be 2. The limits are 0 to pi by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 outside. Upper limit value sine of 2 into x value pi by 2 minus sine of 2 into 0. Got it? It will be 2 will be cancelled. 1 by 2 as it is. Okay, sine pi value will be 0 minus 0. It will be 0. 0 into 1 by 2 will be 0. Focus on the board. What is integral of e raised to x? E to the power x. The limits are 4 to 5. Substitute the upper limit value e to the power 5 minus e to the power 4. If you want to take e to the power 4 as a common, e minus 1. Got it? Integral of tan will be log of modulus of secant of x. Okay. The limits will be 0 to pi by 4. Okay, it will be, apply the upper limit, log of secant of pi by 4. Okay, minus log of secant of 0 it is. Okay, log of, what is secant of pi by 4? Root 2, minus log of secant of 0 will be 1. It will be log root 2 only, because log 1 value will be 0, its value will be log of root 2. Got it? Observe the next example. Integral of cosecant will be log modulus of cosecant x minus cot of x. The limits are pi by 6 to pi by 4. Substitute the upper limit value first. Log of modulus of cosecant of pi by 4 minus cot of pi by 4 minus lower limit log of modulus of cosecant of pi by 6 minus cot of pi by 6. Okay, now it is log of modulus of, what is cosecant of pi by 4? It is root 2 minus cot pi by 4 is 1 minus log of modulus of cosecant of pi by 6 will be, it is 2. Why? Because sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 reciprocal 2 by 1 minus cot of pi by 6 value is root 3. Okay, it will be log a minus log b, log of a by b, root 2 minus 1 divided by 2 minus root 3. Got the point clearly? Integral of 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square is sine inverse of x. Got it? It will be 0 to 1. Sine inverse of 1 minus sine inverse of 0. Sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2. Sine inverse of 0 will be 0. The answer is pi by 2. Next example is 1 divided by x square minus a square form. It will be 1 divided by 2a. Got it? 1 by 2a will be there. It will be 1 divided by 2 into a value is 1. Log modulus of the value will be x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 by the formula. The limits are 2 to 3. Got it? 1 by 2 log of upper limit value. It will be 3 minus 1. It will be 2 by 4 minus, okay, log of lower limit value. 2 minus 1 will be 1 divided by 2 plus 1 will be 3. Got it? It will be 1 by 2 log of log a minus log b. Log of a by b will be 2 by 4 will be 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 3. The answer will be 1 by 2 log of 3 by 2. Got it? Observe the example, integral of cos square. This cos square can be written as, by using this formula, 1 plus cos of 2x divided by 2 into dx. Okay, 1 by 2 outside. Integral of 1 will be x. Integral of cos will be, yes, it will be sine of 2x divided by 2x divided will be 2. Limits are 0 to pi by 2. Got it? 1 by 2, substitute the upper limit value, pi by 2 plus sine of 2 into pi by 2 divided by 2. Okay, this will be upper limit minus lower limit 0 plus sine 0 will be 0. Got it? It will be 1 by 2 pi by 2. Okay, 2 cancel, sine pi will be 0, remaining all the values will be 0. The answer will be pi by 4. Observe the next example. Derivative of x square is 2x. That's why I need 2x in the numerator part. That's why I'm writing the question again. X square derivative 2x multiplying 2 dividing 2. One derivative 0. Derivative of denominator is numerator. Integral this function is log modulus of x square plus 1. The limits are 2 to 3. Okay. 1 by 2 log of, it will be 3 square plus 1 minus log of 2 square plus 1. Okay, it will be 1 by 2 log of 3 square plus 1 will be 10 minus log of 5. Okay, log a minus log b will be log of a by b, 10 divided by 5. The value will be 1 by 2 log of 2. Got it? Observe the next problem. We can write the given problem as 0 to 1, 2x divided by 5x square plus 1 into dx. Got it? Plus integral of 0 to 1, it will be 3 divided by 5x square plus 1 into dx. Got it? Now What is 5x square derivative? It is 10x. I required 5 in the numerator. Okay, multiplying 5, dividing 5, it will be 1 by 5. Okay, what is the derivative of 5x square derivative? 10 5 into x square derivative 2x, one derivative will be 0. Got it? Okay, derivative of denominator is numerator. Integral that function log of modulus of 5x square plus 1. The limits are 0 to 1. Got it? Plus it will be 3 outside, integral of, okay, we can write the function once again, 0 to 1, 1 divided by root 5x whole square. We can write this 5x square plus 1 into dx. Okay, now it will be 1 divided by 5. Substitute the upper limit value here. Log of 1 means 5 into 1, 5 plus 1, it will be 6, minus log of 0 plus 1 will be log 1, it is plus 3. It will be 1 divided by 1 divided by x square plus a square integral. It will be 1 by 1 root 5x derivative will be root 5, that I need to divide tan inverse of root 5x divided by 1. The limits are 0 to 1. Okay, now it will be 1 by 5 log of 6, okay, plus 3 divided by root 5, upper limit value tan inverse of root 5 minus tan inverse of 0 will be 0. Leave it. Got the point clearly? Concentrate on the board. X e to the power x square. Put x square as a t. What is x square derivative? 2x. Derivative of t will be dt by dx it is. Okay. What is x dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. Got it? It will be, now I need to change the limit also. When x is equal to 0, t will be 0. When x is equal to this x value, lower limit value is 0, t value 0 square will be 0. When x is equal to 1, t is equal to 1, no change in the limit, that's why 0 to 1. Okay, e to the power t, x dx will be 1 by 2 dt. Okay, 1 by 2 as it is. Integral of e to the power t will be e to the power t, the limits are 0 to 1. It will be e to the power 1 minus e to the power 0 divided by 2. It will be e to the e minus 1 divided by 2. Got it? Observe the next example. By observing that part, you'll understand it is a improper fraction. I need to make it proper by multiplying 5. 5 into x square, 5x square, 5 4s are 20x plus 5 5s are 25. Okay, minus minus minus, both will be cancelled. It will be minus 20x minus 25. Got it? After this one, improper fraction can be written as 5x square divided by x square plus 4x plus 3. That answer part is 5 plus remainder is minus taken common 20x plus 25. Denominator will be x square plus 4x plus 5. Got the point clearly? Now consider this term can be, denominator can be written as, it will be x plus 1, x plus 3. Resolving it into partial fraction, we'll get the value a divided by x plus 1 plus b divided by x plus 3. You need to find the value by the partial fraction. I'd like to write this one directly because you know the system how to solve partial fraction. Here I got the value as, a value as a minus 5 by 2. Okay, I got the b value as a regular value. B value will be 45 divided by 2 divided by x plus 3. I need to resubstitute these values. Instead of this equation, I need to write this one. Means this equation will be changed as minus 5 by 2 divided by x plus 1 plus 45 by 2 divided by x plus 3. Okay, next I need to go with the integration. Okay, integral of the terms will be 5 as it is. I'll write the integral, okay, with respect to x, integral with respect to x. Got it? 5x it is, minus into minus plus 5 by 2 log of x plus 1, it is, okay, minus into the term, okay, minus into plus, it will be minus 45 by 2 log of x plus 3. Got it? The limits are 1 to 2. Okay, substitute the value 5 into bracket 2 minus 1, 5 by 2. It will be log of 2 plus 1 minus log of 1 plus 1. Got it? Okay, minus 45 by 2 log of upper limit value 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 will be 5 minus log of 1 plus 3 will be 4. Got it? Okay, now the next step will be 2 minus 1 will be 1, it will be 5 only, plus 5 by 2 log of 2 plus 1 will be 3 by 2 log a minus log b minus 45 by 2 log of 5 by 4. We got the value. I think you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to share the video. Please put a one comment how you felt about the video. Got it? All the best. Share, subscribe and enjoy.